Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's me. I'm the one that just left your house now that came to fix your car. Okay, the car don't burn. The car I just fixed just now, just got burnt. Hey! Okay, but I just finished fixing the car now. I should come back. I'm not coming, Oga. I will not come home. Please call my Oga in the office. I'm not coming. What kind of wala is this one? The last work I did, I was a dispatch rider. And now they sent me to army barrack to go and resolve to go and deliver message. Delivery money I no see. Now person motor don't burn for my head as a mechanic. Jesus! I know they go shop again. Let me look for another work. I beg. I'm not even going back to shop again.
Not be juju be that.
Run. Lab scientist needed urgently.
Okay.
10,000 naira daily.
This man.
Oh, this is Joan. Sorry for keeping you waiting for too long.
Okay.
So this is your result. Congratulations, you're 6 weeks pregnant.
Is it lie? You say what?
No.
Oh my God.
You're pregnant.
Oh my God.
Madam, well done. Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, young man. Good afternoon. How are you?
Yes, sir. I saw your notice outside that a lab scientist urgently needed 10,000 naira per day. So I came to apply in person.
Okay. Are you a professional lab scientist?
Yes, sir.
Jesus!
Are you a professional?
Of course, I'm a professional.
Like you're good in the job?
Yes, sir. I don't have good working experience.
Okay, just hold on. Hello, MD. Yes, sir. I'm in my office. Yes. I should meet you up in. Okay. I'm with you. I'll be able to shut this up. Just hold on. I'm coming back. Okay. I'm coming. I will tell you properly when I come back. Okay. Okay, sir. Madam, I'm coming.
Okay. Okay. See, please. I want to drop this one here. I'm going out. When I'm coming back from the pharmacy, I'll get it. Just please let me to take care of it. I'm coming back now. Okay. I'm coming.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Please, I'm here to run a MP test. I'm here to run an MP test. That is malaria test.
Oh, malaria test.
You be mumu.
It's 5,000 naira, sir.
5,000. Why?
Things have increased though. Very expensive. Even as it's paid before service, sir.
For MP test?
Yes, sir.
Payment before service?
Yes, sir.
5,000. Wow. 5K. 5,000. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you sit outside. Once I'm done, I will call you.
Outside?
I will call you, sir. Just sit outside there. Yes, sir.
Okay.
How am I going to do this thing now? I've never done this kind of job before. How will I give this man a result? Oh, that woman left her pregnancy test result. Yeah, okay. I have a plan. Hello, sir. Sir, you can call me. Your test result is ready, sir.
Wow.
Welcome, sir. Congratulations, sir. Are you sure you are not mistaking me for someone else? Look, sir, that's your test result, sir. I came here for MP test. Now you are giving me pregnancy results that I'm 6 weeks pregnant. Sir, be honest with yourself. Are you not suspecting yourself?
Jesus!
Come. Face this way. Sir, are you not mad? What are you saying? Am I a woman? You didn't even take my blood sample, nothing. Eye gauge. I use my eye to gauge you. What sort of rubbish is this? What are you telling me? You use eye gauge to run? Is something wrong with you? Nothing is wrong with me, sir. You are even raising your voice at me. Who are you? Do you know who you are talking to? Who are you?
What's the problem? What is it?
So you operate quacks here? So you are running a quack laboratory here?
What's the problem? Sir, please.
After collecting, I came here for MP test.
Okay.
Now he collected 5,000 from me instead of the usual 500 naira.
Okay.
I didn't even bother. After giving him the money, now he called me instead of he's giving me pregnancy result that I'm 6 weeks pregnant.
Jesus!
This is not Mrs. Jones' test result. Why did you get this one?
So you guys are operating quack. I will not deal with you.
We are not operating anything here.
What's wrong with you?
What's happening here?
You come here and insult my oga for what now? What's wrong with you? Don't talk about
Why
that.
did you slap him? What?
You slapped me, Major General Sergio Sogu.
Jesus!
You slapped me.
Sir,
Wow.
sir,
Now I know you guys. I know what you're up to.
No. See,
I know
it's
what
one of
you
the
have-
best slap you can ever think of in this country, sir. Listen.
I know your type.
Where did you get those papers from?
Hello. Sergeant. See, please come right away to that laboratory I went to.
Sir, please, we can settle this.
Come now.
Sir, we'll refund the money. We can
And even you. Wow! The drama is beginning to unfold properly now. So you don't only operate fake laboratory. You are also into charms, vanishing, appearing and disappearing.
Sir, that's
so now you want to show me that.
I don't know him.
What is it you mean? You think you can
You again? There's no interview for you. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
go? Oga, no. I came to collect my today's salary.
Which money? Which money?
10,000 naira now. You this me said 10,000 naira daily. This is evening. I came to collect my money.
Oh. It's true. But you know I'm not the accountant. Let me call the accountant.
Okay. Hello, sir. Yeah, he's here, sir. Sir, please come quickly. Yes. Okay, sir. Yeah, well, sorry for what happened this afternoon, okay? Just take your seat. Just relax. I should sit down. Sit. You're collecting your salary. I never knew you were this professional. Very sorry. Just hold on. To take your money with dignity.
Jesus is Lord.
Mr. Vanish. Hey! You slapped a major. Boy, sir. Take this idiot. Take him straight to the barracks. Move.
They never show you say how many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Nigeria is not for Charlie boy.